Let's be honest, look at your phone. You saw the news. AI will replace 400,000 insurance jobs. Fully autonomous agents are here. It feels like every week there's a new headline telling you your career is over, that a cold, calculating algorithm is about to do in 10 seconds what took you 10 years to learn. But before you dust off your resume, I need you to look at what's actually happening on the ground, not the hype. 97% of insurers are automating right now. 90% are running AI in production. Yet here's the number that exposes the lie. When consumers were asked if they wanted an AI to make their insurance decisions, their support nearly doubled in a single year. It went from 20% to nearly 40%. But the moment that AI moved from helping you research to actually making the final call, consumer comfort dropped off a cliff. People will let a bot help them shop. They want a human to close the deal. That is the wall AI is about to hit head first. Today, we're going to cut through the fear. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's being automated, what's not, and the specific skill that will make you more valuable, not obsolete, in the next 5 years. I'm going to show you the 3 stages of the AI agent evolution that are already playing out, the blueprint for the bionic agent that leading agencies are using to double their productivity, and why 2026 is actually the year human expertise comes roaring back. First, we need to get honest about where we are right now in 2026. The infrastructure for AI-driven commerce isn't coming. It's already here. Google is evolving into an agent manager that can coordinate multi-step search tasks. Stripe has created a protocol that lets AI agents pay for things programmatically. So you have a system where a customer can ask their AI assistant to find them cheaper car insurance. The AI can find it, and the AI can even hit the buy button. Scary, right? Maybe. But here's the nuance. We are currently in stage 1, AI as a research tool. Instead of Googling something or picking up the phone, consumers are using ChatGPT and Gemini to do their initial research on insurance policies. A report from Adobe showed that visitors coming from AI searches are 42% more likely to make a purchase than average. Why? Because they've done their homework. They are walking into the conversation with more knowledge than ever before. That leads to stage 2, which is happening right now. AI learning to read and understand actual insurance policies. The agents of the future need to ensure their product data is structured so that when an AI searches for coverage, your agency shows up with the exact, accurate information. But notice, the AI isn't closing the deal yet. It's just a hyper-intelligent brochure. Stage 3 is where the rubber meets the road. AI initiates the journey. Imagine a home buyer asks their AI to get quotes. The AI finds carriers, checks eligibility, and fills out the intake forms. The human is still signing off, but the AI is doing the legwork. For simple stuff like renters or auto insurance, many experts predict we will hit stage 4 by 2028. That's where AI will start to handle the entire transaction for standard, low-risk policies. You'll ask your phone to renew your car insurance, and it will just do it. Now, if you're an agent selling basic auto and renters policies, this is your wake-up call. You are in the crosshairs. A 2026 Bank of America report estimated that billions of dollars in insurance commissions are at risk from AI, specifically targeting low-complexity personal lines. Why? Because the path is now fully digital. The customer doesn't need a human to check a box for collision coverage on a standard Honda Civic. They need efficiency. So the business of simply moving paper is dying. But let's talk about where the job actually grows. The industry's worst-kept secret is the talent crisis. We are at a fascinating crossroads. AI is eating up the administrative, entry-level jobs. All the soul-crushing data entry, the manual filing, The checking of boxes? Gone. That reduces the need for junior staff. But here is the contradiction that saves the industry. At the exact same time, the insurance workforce is aging out. By 2038, approximately half of the U.S. insurance workforce is expected to retire. We are looking at a vacuum of deep institutional knowledge walking out the door, while the AI handles the fluff. This is where the bionic agent is born. One of the most common phrases I heard while researching this is the idea that AI isn't here to replace your job. It's here to replace the soul-crushing parts of your job. Think about it. AI removes the bottleneck of manual spreadsheet updates. It can read through policies instantly to find discrepancies. It can handle that tedious quote process for small commercial accounts that used to take hours. Aon CEO Greg Case has a warning for the industry leaders, and it applies to you as a worker. He said it's inconceivable that a winner in AI doesn't have a world-class people strategy. You cannot win by just cutting headcount. You win by giving your people AI copilots so they can focus on strategy. So what is the human strategy? It's empathy, active listening, and nuanced problem solving. No algorithm can sit across the table from a restaurant owner who just lost their roof in a hailstorm and walk them through the coverage nuances of their small business policy. Those decisions impact their livelihood, their employees, and their continuity. A chatbot can't feel the weight of that. Brokers are evolving from transaction clerks into trusted advisors. They are using AI to do the calculation, but they are taking that cold output and translating it into warmth, strategy, and understanding. This is where the industry is finally using AI for what it does best: spotting new risks. Instead of just asking if you want to buy insurance, the AI will analyze your life. It will notice you've added a trampoline in the backyard. It will flag that a new driver just turned 16 in the household. It will spot that you've started a side hustle. Then, it presents that data to the human agent. The agent calls you up and has a relevant, helpful conversation. Hey, I noticed you bought a trampoline. I wanted to check and make sure your liability coverage is still adequate. That is trust. That is the human value add that AI amplifies. So, what is the verdict for 2030? Will AI replace the insurance agent? No. AI will replace the insurance order taker. The factory worker of insurance is obsolete, but the risk advisor, the community partner, the person who makes complex risk understandable in a stressful moment, that role is about to become the most valuable asset an insurer has. The technology is going to bring us back to the core of what sales actually is: connecting, caring, and consulting. If this video gave you to a roadmap for the future, hit the like button. It helps more agents and industry pros find their footing in this shifting landscape. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video, where I'll show you the specific AI tools you can use to automate quoting today. And comment below. As a consumer, would you rather talk to a bot or a human when it comes to your home or car insurance? I read every single comment. Thanks for watching. Now go show them why you can't be replaced. See you in the next one.